Hi, I'm Shivam, a working IT professional living in Bangalore. I wanted really nice or good boot space because I love to travel with friends and family. On a trip, while you are going, log or saman actually should fit very comfortably in the car. It was like, take a spot on. When you are traveling with your family, सब कोई बहुत ही comfortably अपने phones charge कर सकता है with so many charging points. Plus the feel of premiumness that everybody gets. तो मेरा एक दोस्त है, उसको गाड़ी थोड़ी तेज चलाने की आदत है. But time to time, he borrows the car whenever he needs. There is a speed alert feature in Kia Connect app. और जब भी वो गाड़ी तेज चलाता है, I get a speed alert. The other favorite feature I think is the intelligent manual transmission. Clutch नहीं है, so it gives you the feel of automatic also. So best of both worlds, right? What I really love is that the My Kia app, right? It gives you timely reminders that it is now time to get your car serviced. As well as in the app, you can book an appointment also for the pickup. Your car will be serviced. We ended up choosing Kodaikanal as a destination, which is on a hill, right? While we were arriving, we encountered a steep incline. मेरे सारे दोस्त whoever was sitting in the car was a bit conscious, and during the time when the car was climbing smoothly, everybody was surprised कि it's so smooth. So मेरे को ये लगता था कि it is a premium car, right? Over a period of time, servicing and maintenance में खर्चे बढ़ जाएंगे. It's actually the opposite. Overall, the cost of maintenance and the ownership of this premium car has been surprisingly low. So for the last 8 or 9 years, I have only worked at 2 organizations. So this mindset, it extends to probably all of my life choices. So Sonet being my first car, I purchased it after a lot of research. And the simple intention was that I wanted a longer term companion. They get what we need as Indians, like everything. A mix of style, comfort, premiumness, along with all the features. It's amazing, right?
Kia, movement that inspires.